Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. So today I'm popping on as I am taking part in the One Sketch Challenge hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. Now this is my very first time taking part, but I am very excited to pop on and share with you my take on the sketch that Lisa is so kindly hosting for us to take part in, and I will leave a link to her channel in my description box below. So this challenge is once a month at the beginning of the month, so the first of the month, and we upload our videos for 6 p.m. on the first of the month. And yeah, this will be my take on the One Sketch Challenge for the month of January. So without further ado, let me get started on my challenge. So I am using this Disney Classics 101 Dalmatians card making kit, where you get 3 lots of different papers. You get some toppers and sentiments, 3 envelopes and 3 cards. So I am using my 6 by 6 inch card blank. I have taken the dotty design and I am scoring that first of all at 1 inch, then 2 inches. Then I am taking a piece of the blue card and I am going to score those down at 3/4 of an inch. And then next I've taken this sheet with the Dalmatians on, and I've cut one piece at 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to pop my scoreboard to one side and I will come in with my little bits and pieces for the card. Okie dokie, so what I've been doing is I've cut my papers down and I've been sticking them onto my blank card. So I've got my 2 dotty ones at either side, my 2 blue pieces heading towards the centre, and then the one with the little Dalmatians and little sentiments on into the middle. So I've got this last one to stick down. I'm just going to line that up there like so. Next I've just cut down one of my sheets of paper, and I've cut it out where the 2 sides are longer than the top and the bottom pieces, and I'm just going to pop that in like so. So yeah, I've popped my little topper on and I have kept it really simple, but when I send it out to someone, I am going to sort of pop little things like this, or I will cut that out and pop that and a sentiment and make it more elaborate. But for the challenge, I was following this sheet. So this is the sketch. Just looking at the sketch, these 2 side pieces are the 2 white pieces on my card, and then these 2 panels here are wider than these 3 in the middle, so I have made my 2 wider ones, and then I have popped my 3 smaller panels into the middle, and then I have popped my little topper on, and if you look at the sketch, this comes slightly onto the two end panels like so, and again at the bottom with just these little three panels here peeping out. I was going to use this little topper, however, it just kind of sat on those three. I thought, no, it's not big enough. If you look, like I say, this kind of heads onto the two end panels. And yeah, that is my take on the one sketch challenge for January. Thank you ever so much to Lisa for hosting this collaboration. Do check out the other ladies taking part. I will leave a link in my description box below where you can check out their designs too. And yeah, thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.